Hello friends, so today I am going to show you how to draw a cute puppy using basic shapes. For that, first select inking pen and shape tool. Then draw a circle and two triangles like this. I think it looks like a basic shape of a dog. Now add some detailing lines around the shapes with inking pen. Draw legs, belly, neck, etc. Now draw his ear. Now erase those triangles. Now add the eyes, nose and mouth as I have shown. He looks cute. Now time for color. For that, select the fill tool and add color like this. Select the airbrush and add some white fur. Now select a darker shade of your color and add color with an airbrush like this. Now select a pink shade and add some color to his ear and mouth with an airbrush. He looks great. Now create a new layer and add some shadow for a better effect. Now here is your cute puppy.